Future is a journey to unknown. Future is a mystery to explore. What future holds is uncertain, and what future has in store is unseen. But with Vestige, future is clear. When the passion is your fuel and determination is your force, when your journey is filled with motivation, dedication becomes your guiding light. Nothing comes in your way, nothing can keep you sway. When you bring the best side of you, the universe rewards you with best it can do. You create a golden path for the glory of your success, and the dimension of time changes for you. The present becomes now. And everything around you just works for you. It's time to look into the future. It's the time to live the future. Future is here, and the future is clear.
Good morning, Vestigians. As you all know, this year we are celebrating 15 years of economic independence. When I think about the past, when we started in 2004, we started with 2 offices and 10 products. But along with that, we had a thought process, a thought on how exactly we can change the lives of millions of people, those who believe in us. Now, today, we have got 48 offices, 2,500 centers, we have got 300 products in 14 categories, and faith of more than 1.25 crore distributors. Lots has changed in this last 15 years, but what has not changed is our core values, which keep on guiding us. As you all know, our first core value is growth. Our cumulative average growth rate for last 15 years is 79%, and we'll continue to grow like this. We will grow not only in our turnover, we'll continue to grow in the number of products what we give, in number of meetings what we do, in number of education programs we do, so that we can develop you into better human beings. Not only new centers, new countries, we'll continue to grow in each and every manner. Ladies and gentlemen, our second core value is honesty. Yes, we are so proud to say that we are an honest company, and we'll continue to remain honest with all those people, those who believe in us. Our third core value is passion and commitment. As you all know, we are passionate about direct selling, and we are committed to make the change so that people can live a life of economic independence, and that too on their own terms. Our next core value is autonomy. We are so independent of our thought process. That's why we created a thing which nobody could have ever thought about. And we give the same kind of independence to our people so that they can continue to grow in their lives. Vestige has always put the interest of the distributors before the interest of the company.
As we celebrate Vestige's Crystal Jubilee, in 15 years, we have come far, and from here, we will go even further to touch new heights and witness bigger milestones. We have been wonderful in past, and we will have a roaring future. We are the strength, we are the force behind this journey, and we are the future. Let's look into our future. Vestige wants to grow on a global scale and spread wings to over 50 countries with a turnover of 20,000 crores by 2025. We aim to be one of the largest global direct selling companies in the world. Together we can, and together we will. We have been overachieving in past and will continue to do so, because one thing we know for sure, with Vestige, future is clear.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope all of you know that 15th anniversary is always called the Crystal Anniversary or the Crystal Jubilee. And in a crystal, you can see your future, you can see your prosperity, and you can see your vision. When I gaze through this crystal for you, as a futuristic company, I see in 2025, Vestige being amongst the top 10 direct selling companies in the world. We'll be in 50 countries in addition to India. We'll have a global turnover of 20,000 crores. And what I see is more than 1 lakh people driving cars earned through Vestige, more than 10,000 people driving luxury cars. Ladies and gentlemen, all the cars, properties what you have, the houses, the lifestyle what you have, does not matter if you don't have respect. What we have earned, all of us have earned through Vestige, is respect. And as we celebrate our crystal anniversary, I want to promise and I want that assurance from you that we'll continue to earn respect and give respect to all those people, those who believe in us. God bless you and wish you wealth.